All right, let's have a look at alpha, exercise 1510 onwards. Now, these are about factorising, and I'm going to take you through how to factorise. Remember, we've already done this in class. Some of you weren't there, so this might be useful, and those who were there and still have questions, well, hopefully this will be a bit of a summary for you, and maybe a bit of revision as well. So let's go through how to factorise. So when we factorise, we write down, it says the number or letter and the symbol that needs to go in the box to make factorising work. Well, what is this factorising thing? It says factorising is we're looking for factors. We're looking for things that are common. And you'll see the word up here. We're looking for things that are common. So here we go. Let's have a look. 3x and 3y equals, we've got an x and a y. What's common to this thing here? Well, 3 is common, so I could write a 3 in here, and that would be the answer. 3 is common to both of them. Let's look at the 7. I got 7x minus 7y. What's common to 7x and negative 7y? Well, the answer is 7 is common. So I could write 7 in there. All right, let's try a more difficult one. What about this one over here? I got 6p plus 6q equals, well, what's common? Well, 6 is common, so it goes outside the bracket. And we've got a missing thing inside the bracket. Well, let's see what that would be. Well, we know, and by the way, how to do this, we know it works because 3 times x makes 3x, and 3 times y makes 3y. Let's have a look at this one here. 7 times x makes 7x, and 7 times y, negative y, makes negative 7y. Okay, let's have a shot at this one over here. Well, 6 times p makes 6p, and 6 times what? What times 6 makes 6q? Well, p times 6 makes 6p, so something times 6 makes 6q, it must be q. 6 times q makes 6q. So 6q, the q, must be the answer. All right, let's take a go at another one. 9. So I'm going to say 9 and 9x and 9y. Well, what's common to 9x and 9y? Well, 9 is. And we know this because x times something is 9x, and y times something is 9y. So it must be 9. Let's check it. 9 times x is 9x, and 9 times y is 9y. Let's try this one over here. 12x plus 12y is equal to, and we've got, of course, got our 12 there. Well, 12 is common to both of them. Well, let's check this. 12 times x makes 12x, and 12 times something makes 12y. What could that be? Well, something times 12 equals 12y. It must be y times 12. 12 times y makes 12y. And there is my answer. Now this time I've just got to put in a positive or negative, because I've got 7 times x makes 7x. That's correct. 7 times something y makes negative 7y. So in that case, 7 times negative y makes negative 7y. 7 times negative y makes negative 7y, and that would be correct. What about this one? Well, 2 times x makes 2x. 2 times something y makes something 2y. Well, it must be plus 2y. Plus must go in the missing space. So have a shot at those, but that's how they work. Now remember, the key is mastery. Do the whole lot. If you haven't done the whole lot, and I didn't give you the whole lot in class probably, I usually say do the odd numbers and maybe do the even for homework, but most of the time we don't actually do every single thing in every single exercise, but if you get the opportunity, please do it. All right, that's the first section. Let's have a look at the next section in a moment.